Hello everyone, Max here from Online Prospects. So today we're going to discuss what is one thing that you can add to your website to increase your conversions. And by conversions, I mean the amount of people who will become your customers. Because it's one thing to get people to visit your website, another thing is to make them do something on your website. Watch until the end, and I promise this video is going to be very, very useful for your business. Now, before I actually reveal this information, I want you to think for a second, what do you think is that one thing that can instantly increase your conversions, that it can increase the trust in your business from people who are visiting your website for the first time? What do you think? Just for a second. Now, some of you maybe already guessed it, but it's a video. So you have to add a video or videos to your website to increase your conversions. And there are a few studies done about this topic. What they come up with was just an incredible result. So those pages that had videos, the landing pages where visitors were going, and the pages contained videos about the business. So the increase in conversion on average was about 80%. So that was study done by HubSpot. Study by Forbes showed 90% of customers say that videos help them make purchasing decisions, right? And basically, if you think about it, I mean, it makes pretty logical sense, right? Because if somebody watches the video on your website, it builds a bit more trust in your company, especially with somebody who doesn't know you yet. Because if they don't know you, okay, well, pictures are good and text is good, but if they see a video, they see who you are, maybe some personalities there, of course it will build up a bit more trust. And the videos can be different, it can be video reviews, it can be specific videos that will explain the benefits of the product or the service that you provide. But if we talk about that one thing that can change dramatically the conversions from your website, that's going to be a video. Now, if you want to learn more about what kind of changes you can make on a website to increase your conversion rates, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will sure create more videos to show you little things that you can change on the website to increase your conversion rates. And it's very important because especially if you're paying for online advertising, if you're paying for people to come to your website, maybe you're using Google Ads, maybe you're using Facebook ads, it's very, very important to convert these visitors into real clients, right? So it's important that your website is designed in a way that it converts as many visitors into customers as possible. All right, so subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we'll get back to you with more information about this. Thank you very much. You have a great day.